Before you upload your next video on YouTube, you need to ask yourself this certain question. And the questions are, you need to ask yourself, are you uploading at the right time? Or are you burying your best content in the shadows? Now, the reason why I say this is because in 2025, YouTube has changed. Yes, the algorithm is now smarter and time sensitive more than ever. So one tiny mistake you make in uploading your video at the wrong hour could cost you thousands of views and still kill your chances of going viral. But that's notwithstanding, okay? Don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to break down the newest update, okay? I'm going to expose the best time for you to post your videos and show you also how to ride the algorithm wave straight to your first viral hit, okay? Now, stick with me to the end, and I'm even going to show you a bonus timing trick almost no one is talking about, right? Now let's dive in, because the difference between 10 views and 10,000 could just be a matter of minutes, right? So first of all, you need to know what has really changed with the YouTube algorithm in 2025. Let us start with the biggest update, which is what YouTube algorithm in 2025 has evolved in three major ways. And they are: the first one is the hyper personalization. Now, YouTube is now prioritizing session-based delivery, and it pushes content to users who are most likely to stay on the platform, which means that it is watching when your viewers are online, not just what they watch, okay? Now, the second one is what? AI viewing timing prediction. YouTube now track the exact hours your subscribers and non-subscribers are active, then aligns your video initial push with those windows. And then the third one is the shorter viral shelf life. Mind you that your videos has 12 to 24 hours to prove itself whenever you upload it. So if it doesn't perform in that golden window between the 12 to 24 hours, it gets buried fast. It means that it is not going to get that viral views which you are looking out for. So if you are uploading at random times, you just wake up anytime you like and you upload, YouTube might not even give your video a fighting chance, okay? Now, why is timing more important and crucial whenever you want to post? Now, think about it. Your video gets published, but none of your viewers are online to see it. You understand? That is to say that fewer initial views, lower click-through rates, then slower watch time growth and poor engagement signals. These are the things that will happen when you post when no one is online. So the algorithm will assume that, oh, this video isn't performing, let's not just push it further, okay? Meanwhile, a creator who uploaded just 2 hours later hits a prime time and get instant likes, comment, and watch time, and their videos skyrocket into suggested time. You might be wondering, how come? But I just posted just a few hours ago, and this person is posting now. It is very simple. Her timing, his or her timing, and your timing, it is not the same. So in 2025, guys, timing is not just important, it is crucial as a content creator. Now, let us also talk about the best days for you to upload your videos based on data. Everybody has his or her own data, okay? Go to your YouTube analytics and check out your own time data. You're going to see when your own audience is online. Whatever I'm going to say here is not 100% guaranteed. You just have to do whatever that works for you. Don't stick to 100% of what I said here. You are free to explore. Whatever works for you, good and fine. So, according to Fresh YouTube Studio Analytics and Creator Survey, these are the top days that you can upload your video and you can still go viral. And these days include your Sunday, Saturday, Thursday, and Fridays. These 4 days in a week, there are chances of your video going viral when you optimize this 4 times in a week that I just listed. Okay, now the worst days, I've really experienced these worst days in my life. Understand? Now, the worst days that you shouldn't even think of uploading your videos are Mondays and Tuesdays. You know why you shouldn't even upload your videos on Mondays? Because people are still catching up with work. Mondays are always a busy day. All over the world, Mondays are busy days because everybody is busy, work, work, work. So don't even think of posting videos on this day because it depends on your luck anyway. Then another day you shouldn't post video is on Tuesday. Now, it is believed that whenever you post videos on Tuesday, there is lowest click-through rate reported across niches. Yes, some persons I've had a lot. Some of my friends say that whenever they post video on so day, this Tuesday, that they hardly get views. It is very, very simple. People are also not really online during those periods, and also your niche also matters. So weekend wins whenever it comes to like posting videos on weekend is actually good. It wins because people are relaxed, they are binge watching, and most importantly, scrolling without time pressure. Most you and I know that like Saturdays, Sundays, everybody is just resting, resting, resting. So whatever you post or whenever you post your video, so long as it is being posted at the wrong time, people are going to watch your video. Okay. Now let us also talk about the best time for you to upload. This is a new viral window, guys. Like I was really, really surprised when I saw this latest update. Okay, now let us break this into two categories. This best time to upload, let us break them into two categories. Now we are going to break it into category A and category B. Now category A is for those of us that are still new content creators, especially those under 10,000 subscribers. You are still building momentum. Yes, you need to understand that you are still building momentum. So you need time for YouTube to index and study your videos. Okay. Now, as under 10,000 subscriber creator, the best time that is advisable for you to post your video, according to your analytics anyway, it is always advisable that you post around 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. local time. You know why this 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. works? Because around this period of time, it is lunch period for most workers. So people are, relaxed, having their lunch, and, during the process of having their lunch, they are scrolling through their phones. Now, this period gives YouTube a few hours to test and push your video before prime time. You know that once we post our videos, sometimes it doesn't go viral immediately. It takes sometimes the algorithm 1 to 2 hours before it can push your videos. All right. So you need to post during this period when your most viewers are online. Okay. Now, category B is for growing creators, those persons above 10,000 subscribers. Now, if your audience is already somewhat or somehow engaged, your video can go live closer to peak hours. And the best time for you to post as as a big content creator is around 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. local time. Now, mind you that your loyal subscribers will hit it immediately. So give it that viral boost. So try to optimize 5 to 7 p.m. within this period of time. I normally post my video within this range. Sometimes my video drops at 5, sometimes it drops at 6. When I started newly, I used to post my videos by 8:30, 9:30, 8:30, 9:30. But as time goes on, I noticed that the type of niche I'm into, that time will really work for me. And then I studied my analytics, and I discovered that the time that my audience are online is within 5 to 7 p.m. So if you notice recently, I post my videos 5 to 7 p.m. and somehow it has not been rosy because I've already built my channel at a specific time, and when I change, the algorithm also will try to shake as well. Now, your analytics are the secret weapon as a content creator. Okay, now I want to ask you this question: did you know that YouTube gives you answers on a silver platter? Yes, if you want to check this out, go to your YouTube Studio Analytics. That is the audience tab. Look for when your viewers are on YouTube. Mine is not showing now. I don't know what really happened. I think it's my own analytics stopped showing because I changed my posting time, so it is out, but it will still come out. If not, I would have shown you guys. So you need to go to that your YouTube Studio Analytics beside the audience tab, then look for when your viewers are on YouTube. Now, this heat map shows the exact times when your audience is mostly active. Okay, so when you notice on that your audience tab side, if you notice the darker purple bars, shows that your viewers are more online. Do you understand? Then you have to target the start of those bars for uploading your videos. Don't just upload during the dark bars. No, upload between 1 to 2 hours before that dark hours, so that your video is fully processed and ready to ride the wave. Now, what about shorts? Shorts have different timing needs. Yes, if you are a short form content creator, the best time for you to post videos is between 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. 6 in the morning, 9 in the morning, because people are still in bed during this period of time, except for those that are working 9 to 5 job that are always, ready to go. So post between 6 to 9 a.m., 12 p.m. to 2 p.m., then 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. at night. This time, there are chances of your short form videos to go viral. And yes, YouTube is still pushing shorts hard in 2025. So start posting short videos as well. All right. But the goal is your long form videos. They go more higher and they also help you to complete your watch hours. Now, you want to get a maximum click from your notification this thing, there is a trick that you can actually use for you to check your timing hack. Okay, and this is it. Upload your video and set it to go public 15 minutes before your peak time. You understand? Now, this way, the algorithm gets a moment to stabilize metadata and notification hits inbox just as viewers are beginning to log in. All right. Let's say that your audience peak is at 6 p.m. in the evening. So schedule your video around 5:45 p.m. Now, this tiny change has helped a lot of creators increase their CTR by up to at least 30%, because it hits people when they are active, not 20 minutes late. All right. So that is it. So you have it now, guys. The truth about this timing in 2025 is that it's not just what you post. It's not just how you edit your video. It's not how good you are. You understand? It is when you show up. So showing up is really, really the key to this. Now, the best creators don't leave it to luck. No. They watch the data, they follow the rhythm, and they upload like pros, because YouTube reward precision. So if you've ever said, why didn't my video go viral? The answer might have been sitting right there in your clock all along. So timing is the new title. The first view is the start of momentum. Don't waste it. So here is your challenge. Before you upload your next video, open your analytics, find your audience peak time and test it. Upload strategically and track your results. Then come back and comment. Did it work for you? Did your viewers go up? Let us grow together, guys. Like this video if you've learned something new. Subscribe for more video and also YouTube growth hack. And share this video with your friends who has been struggling with views. They need this more than they need any other thing. Let's stop guessing and start going viral. Thank you very much for always coming around. I appreciate you guys. See you in my next video.